Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rizka Amelia. Here I want to deliver about discourse and conversation. Before that, I want to explain about discourse analysis first. Discourse analysis examines how to organize language in the context of wacana or discourse, and the material is related to linguistic, sociology, rhetoric, and education with data in written or spoken form. And next to conversation analysis is an approach to the analysis of spoken discourse that focus on how people manage their conversational interaction. And it examines how spoken discourse is structured and developed when speakers interact. Next is the background of conversation. Conversation originated in the early 1960s at University California, Los Angeles. Conversation analysis has been pioneered by a breakaway group of sociologists and often known as ethno-methodologists. And also in background conversation there is issues and conversation analysis. So issues and conversation analysis, the most basic key issue in conversational analysis is the view of casual conversation as form of conversation. For conversation analysis, conversation is the primary way in which people gather, exchange information, negotiate, and maintain social relationships. Thus, all other forms of speech in interaction are derived from this basic form of speech. Forms of speech are not the same with normal conversation. However, they exploit the same type of resource as ordinary conversation to achieve their social and interactional goals. And according to Gardner, in this view, conversation is seen as context forming and context renewing in the sense of that whatever someone says in a conversation is based on what has been said or what that has happened, as well as creating condition for what will be said next. And conversation analysis aims to show how participants generate and responding to evolving social context using conversation rather than contextual data, a source for the claim you want to make. And the next is sequence and structure in conversation. Of particular interest to conversational analysis is the sequence and structure of spoken discourse. Aspects of conversational interaction that have been examined from this perspective include opening and closing, turn-taking, and adjacency pairs. So I want to explain about opening and closing. Opening, as we know, an opening of conversation most commonly start with hi or hello. And she Golf analyzed that the telephone opening for American come up with canonical opening, which they do a small talk before they deliver their purpose for calling. While in Mandarin Chinese, according to Yang, the greeting and small talk in America were less common in Mandarin. She examined the telephone opening straight to identification sequence. So, closing. Closing can also proceed by a number of sequences, such as making an arrangement, referring back to something that has been said before in conversation, initiation of a new topic, giving congratulations, and restatement of purpose, call, or giving thanks for calling. So the next is turn taking. The next sequence is turn taking. Turn taking is two or more people take a chance to speak. And turn taking can be made up of single word, a phrase, or a clause, or full sentence, such as uh, such as a word or more. So the last is adjacency pairs. Adjacency pairs is conversational action tend to occur in pairs. They speak of an exchange idea or opinion because a conversational action call for a particular conversational response. So that's all. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.